Hey guys, Ring Queen Lexa Rose here with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty, and today's going to be a bit of a fun one because I'm going to be trying out one of the products that came in my Boxy Charm. Yay! And what I'm going to be trying today is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. The box actually came with two of them. Let me just go over some of the stuff that I actually got in this month's box. As you can see, it says Boxy and Chill. This came in my December box. It's the Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Face Mask, which has been working really, really well on my skin. Very happy with that. This is the second time I've been using it. And let's just go quickly over some of the stuff that I got in my Boxy Charm before we go on with this tutorial. I got the Volume 3 Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte Cosmetics. And it comes in this really, really pretty, like, you know, compact. The colors are a little too subtle for my taste. I'm more of a bold colors kind of gal, but I'm going to still try this out anyways. See how it looks. It also came with a Starlux Brown Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. I don't know if it is for liner or if it's a brow pencil, but it's not too bad. Moving on, if you notice this little discolored spot, that came from this Ofra Liquid Lip in Havana Nights. It's a very, very deep, like, crimson kind of color. Not my particular taste, but I'll try it anyways. And then I got this Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In and Moisture Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's for the hair. It says that you're supposed to put it in when your hair is damp. So next time I wash my hair, I'll put it in. But let's get to the fun part, which is the Tacha Face Mask. So what we're going to do first is rip this fricker open. Ooh, it's got like white milky stuff. Milk. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull this bad boy out. And, ooh, it's dripping. It's dripping. Dang, son. Alright, so now that we've got this kind of open, let's just stick it right on our face. So now we're going to check out the time and see how long we got to keep this on. So what it says on the packaging is, for centuries, Japanese women would brew botanicals into enriched elixir captured with leftover kimono silk to create a mask. The practice inspired the silky, soft, skin-fitting sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink of ultra-hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow. A blend of lightweight rice germ oil derived from the most nutrient-rich portion of rice and a high concentration of botanical oils and extracts leaves skin velvety, smooth, dewy, and luminous. The delicate microfiber sheet intensely drenches the skin with 20 milliliters of hydrating serum. The mask feeds skin with our signature trio of Japanese anti-aging superfoods, green tea, rice, and algae to help restore skin's youthful radiance. Now, the directions say, apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably. Leave on for 15 minutes. All right, so we're going to put it on for 15 minutes, and I'll be checking back incrementally like you know I usually do, and then we can do the 24 afters after. So, let's get buzzing. My daughter is afraid of me. Poor child. She's like, Mom, what have you done to yourself? Look at her. Hi, pretty. Hi. Oh, she's letting me pet her. Oh, she's purring. You think she knows it's me? Cool. I look like a luchador. The broke beauty guru. The broke beauty luchador. Luchadora. Nacho. Right? This bitch just rolled her eyes at me. Oh no. I'll be back. Hi, babe.
Hi.
You think I'm beautiful?
Yes.
Good answer. Good answer. I'm lucky. Shit, it's my chatty. Yes. Okay, guys, so it's time to take off this face mask and stop scaring the shit out of my precious kitten. That felt really nice. And it doesn't feel like there's like a whole bunch of gunk on my face either, which most face masks do. And then they tell you, you know, press it into the skin. But it feels good. So we'll leave it to dry. And then what I'll do is I'll go over how my skin reacts to it 24 afters. Don't mind the hair. But it is 24 afters, I guess you could say. Well, it's the next morning. So my face feels smooth. As you can tell, it's glowing. So the face mask does exactly what it says it's supposed to do. Don't mind my eyebrows. I know I gotta get them done. I know I have a bald spot here. I know, I'm just a tragic mess. But you know what? Make this shit look good. But I noticed that the dark circles under my eyes have been visibly reduced. But then again, I've been trying to be more proactive about my skincare routine. You know, I'm pushing 37, so gotta make sure this big old billboard forehead stays nice and smooth. But yeah, the dark circles are definitely like fading, which was probably one of my bigger challenges. My skin feels soft and actually like kind of plump, but not swollen. My eyes look a little bit swollen because I just rolled out of bed. Because I'm heading out to my sister-in-law's, but otherwise my skin feels really, really amazing. So I really like that face mask. I'm a really big face mask freak. I love using face masks. I love doing the whole like ritual and stuff. It's something that I wasn't really big into for the last like couple years, but I'm just starting to get into it now, and I'm starting to realize how important like skincare really is, especially when you're a woman my age and, you know, you do what I do. So with that being said, I really like the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and I definitely approve of it. So it's Team Hell Yes on the face mask. Now, if I didn't approve of it, it would be Team Hell No. You get the wrestling reference, you know? Yes, yes, no, no. Anyways, this is Lexa Rose with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. Don't forget to like and subscribe, press the notifications to get updates on when my videos pop up. And I will see you on my next video.